अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे और आप देख रहे हैं मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल फ़िज़ा ख़ान। सबसे पहले आप सब दोस्तों से गुजारिश है कि मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और अगर वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक करें। तो दोस्तों, आज मैं आपके सामने एक बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त वीडियो लेके हाजिर हुई हूँ। आज हम एवरीडे साइंस टेस्ट MCQs के बारे में स्टडी करेंगे। तो चलो दोस्तों, द फर्स्ट MCQs इज़ डैश इज़ कॉल्ड द ब्लड बैंक ऑफ द बॉडी। First option is liver, B is gallbladder, C is spleen, and D is stomach. The correct option is spleen. तो next MCQ है हमारा trash is called a graveyard of blood cells. Option A is liver, option B is gallbladder, option C is spleen, and option D is stomach. Correct option is spleen. Third MCQ है हमारा the main function of dash is to store bile. Option A is liver, option B is gallbladder, and option C is spleen, and option D is stomach. Correct option is gallbladder. Next, bile is produced by option A is liver, option B is gallbladder, option C is spleen, option D is stomach. Correct option is liver. Next MCQ is gastric juice is produced by option A is liver, option B is gallbladder, option C is spleen, option D is stomach. Correct option is stomach. Next question है हमारा bile is stored by option A is liver, option B is gallbladder, option C is spleen, option D is stomach. Correct option है हमारा gallbladder. Next MCQ है हमारा HCl acid is produced by option A is liver, option B is gallbladder, option C is spleen, and option D is stomach. तो जी हाँ दोस्तों, नेक्स्ट MCQ है हमारा डैश स्टोर्स रेड ब्लड सेल्स, वाइट ब्लड सेल्स एंड प्लेटलेट्स. Option A is liver, option B is gallbladder, option C is spleen, and option D is stomach. Correct option है हमारा spleen. नेक्स्ट MCQ है हमारा gastric juices. Option A is acidic, option B is basic, option C is neutral, and option D is non. Correct option is acidic. Next MCQ is हमारा bile juice is option A is acidic, option B is basic, option C is neutral, and option D is non. Correct option is basic. Next MCQ is white blood cells, red blood cells, and platelets are produced by option A is liver, option B is gallbladder, option C is spleen, and option D is bone marrow. Correct option is bone marrow. Next MCQs. Average life of red blood cells is option A is 20 days, option B is 120 days, option C is 12 days, and option D is none. Correct option is 120 days. Next MCQs. Average life of white blood cells is option A is 1 hour to 1 day, option B is 120 to 365 days, option C is 1 to 14 days, and option D is none. Correct option is 1 to 14 days. Next MCQ is the organ that helps filter impurities from the blood is the dash. Option A is kidney, option B is lungs, option C is heart, and option D is pancreas. Correct option is kidney. Next MCQ is the organ that stores and releases glucose as needed is the dash. Option A is liver, option B is gallbladder, option C is spleen, and option D is stomach. Correct option is liver. Next MCQs. The organ that is responsible for producing insulin is the dash. Option A is pancreas, option B is liver, option C is gallbladder, and option D is spleen. Correct option is pancreas. Next MCQs. The organ that helps to cleanse the blood of bacteria and other harmful substances is the dash. Option A is liver, option B is gallbladder, and option C is spleen, and D option is stomach. Correct option is liver. Next MCQs है दोस्तों, the organ that helps to prevent blood loss by contracting after injury is the dash. Option A is liver, option B is gallbladder, option C is spleen, and option D is stomach. Correct option is spleen. We are our next MCQs. The organ that has to absorb nutrients from the small intestine into the bloodstream is the dash. Option A is liver, option B is gallbladder, option C is spleen, and option D is small intestine. Correct option is small intestine. तो जी हाँ दोस्तों, हमारा जो अगला MCQs है वो है the organ that has to store and release oxygen into the bloodstream is the dash. Option A is lungs, option B is liver, option C is kidneys, and option D is pancreas. Correct option is lungs. तो जी हाँ दोस्तों, हमारा जो आज का आखिरी MCQs है वो है डाइजेशन प्रोसेस कंप्लीट्स इन. Option A is large intestine, option B is small intestine, option C is stomach, and option D is spleen. तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन. तो जी हाँ दोस्तों, कैसी लगी मेरी आज की वीडियो? उम्मीद करती हूँ पसंद आई होगी. ऐसी इंफॉर्मेटिव वीडियो देखने के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. बहुत जल्द हाजिर होते हैं एक नई